The Rolling Stones, Kiss, Metallica, Aerosmith, the Backstreet Boys. Now prepare for the greatest rock band of all time, the Dead Sea Monkeys, playing their hit song, The Scream. Listen in amazement as they melt your face with their ripping guitar solos and their kicking drum rolls. Then go on a lyrical journey with them as they sing about their roots as a humble basement band.
Just the basement band. We like to play our music in the basement.
The Dead Sea Monkeys.
Please, give us some insight on your music and your name.
We'll let Jason field that one.
It's the flame! The flame!
I'm much high and I'll answer that one. You see, the world's just a big conspiracy, right? We're all robots and nothing matters except like pizza and fish and stuff.
Pizza and fish.
Because we're all about
You
saving
know, that's
whales.
fascinating. When do you have a CD hitting the market?
Dude, Jason, where's your bathroom, man? I gotta go.
It's the flame!
My bad.
Flame!
I'm
And no, we don't have a
Um,
bathroom!
Excuse me? Who are you?
Oh, my bad. My name's Rancid Monkey Poo. It's my guitar. What
You do realize that isn't a guitar.
are you talking about, man? Of course it's a real guitar.
No, it isn't.
Jason, you said you have a real guitar!
It's the flames!
Dude, this is so stupid.
The Dead Sea Monkeys will thrash your socks off with their hit song, The Infrared Highway to the Satellite of Hopelessness and Pain with Cream Jelly.
It's not Jason! It's the flame! Get it straight! Jason! It's the flame, not Jason!
It's the flame! I'm sick and tired of your mom, man. I quit the band. I'm taking my cymbal.
The Dead Sea Monkeys.